Hi everyone, Sigur here. How are you all? In this episode, we are going to see how we can use the average rating column in any of our Microsoft SharePoint list. So I have one employee data list which is having some of the columns which are already available, and I want to create a new column which is an average rating. So when I click on this column average rating, as you can see, the by default value it has as a star. So whatever value or rating I am going to provide, I can just go and quickly add it here. Let's say I want to do 4 rating, 4-star rating or 5-star rating for this, and it is also going to have this number of users who has given their ratings into this particular item. So when I hover on over it, it will say one rated. When I click on it, it says you rated these as 5 stars. And let's say there is another user who is also accessing the same list and list item, and what type of behavior they are going to see. So I have another user logged in into the different browser. This is my other user also. So as you can see, I'm in the same employee data list, and I'm also seeing that rating column in here, where I can see that another user who is on the same list item, that is available in another browser, and who has rated. Okay, so if I want to rate this, I can also go and change it to 3. So now I have two persons has rated. You rated this as 3, so Harshad has rated it as 3, and there are average value of 4.0. My rating is 5 and Harshad's rating is 3, so average is 4. So this is the behavior of this particular rating, average rating field. So there is another way of using this rating column is if I go and click on this ratings drop down, and from the column setting there is an option to switch these ratings from star to likes. So if I go and change it, so as you can see it changed to likes, but at the same time it also loses the number of likes or number of ratings we had. Let me try to see if we get it back when we make it ratings again. Yeah, the ratings it's available, but for the likes it goes away. That is something which we have to understand while we make this change. So when I go and switch it to columns, likes column, if I like it, it will have one like. And let me go to my another user and refresh the page. As you can see, there is one like. I also go and like this particular item. So in this particular case, there is no average available. Only likes are available. So there are 2 likes now. So now I see, but when I go and click on this particular item, it is liked. So there is a tooltip available, like you have liked this item, click don't like it. So that is a difference in between the ratings and this like column setting for this average rating. As you also notice that the name of the column is also changed. Before we have the average ratings, and now it has the number of likes, and we have the different options like group by number of likes. That is another option which we are having in this particular item. Okay, so this is very quick intro about this ratings column which is available in Microsoft list. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and please share your thoughts on this and subscribe the channel if you haven't done that yet. Thank you.